It's a woodpecker from space! I didn't know the reason why. Still dark outside, but get a light. I heard a funny cry. I was jumping out of bed and put my head against the door. By the time I was okay, I heard a funny cry once more. Funny-looking bird that he's a right before my eyes. With a spacesuit and a laser gun, he was only passing by. I was looking at a space bird, he was right in front of me. I was hypnotized by his eyes.